This is another concept level question. The probability of finding the electron in the px orbital is 0 at the nucleus, maximum on two opposite sides of the nucleus along the x-axis, 0 on the z-axis, same on all sides around the nucleus. So you should know what is a px orbital and you should find the probability of finding the electron. So probability, the value of orbital may be, or wave function can be given as psi x, or more specifically you can write it as psi px. So your probability will be integral of psi px square. Now you can see the orbital px orbital here. So this is the px orbital. I have taken this diagram from this particular website. Maybe students should try to go to this site to see the orbitals and their probabilities in a very good simulations are given in this site, ChemTube 3D. So this is the our px orbital. So you see, you have to draw these options. The orbital, this is in y direction. X direction goes through between the z and y, and z direction is given here. So this is our p orbital. One lobe is here, another lobe is here in the x dimension, and also the probability is plotted in this dimension. Actually the x dimension is denoted as here x. So your probability is finding. So you are actually you are seeing the cross section of that probability. Now let us see the options one and again. The probability of finding the electron in the px orbital is 0 at the nucleus. Of course, that is a correct answer because here you cannot see any electrons at the nucleus side, so that is 0. Second one, maximum on two opposite sides of the nucleus along the x-axis. That is correct because this is the x-axis, so the x-axis goes like this. So you can say along the x-axis you can see the maximum probability, so that also is right. Now 0 on z-axis. See the z-axis is like this. So along the z-axis there is no electron, so 0 on s, that is also correct. Now same on all sides around the nucleus. This is a p orbital. How it can be same on all the sides? No, it is not same on all the sides of the nucleus. For an s orbital which is spherical, for s orbital, if you are drawing the s orbital y, x and z, the s orbital is entirely spherical. In that case it was correct, but for p orbital, same on all sides around the nucleus is not a right option. So a, b and c are right. So your option will be a, b and c. Second will be the right answer.